Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Altima's oil. First, gather your essential tools like a socket wrench, oil filter wrench, and a new oil filter. Make sure you have fresh engine oil and a drain pan. Safety is key, so always use jack stands to support your vehicle securely before starting any work. Once your Altima is safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug underneath the engine. Place your drain pan directly below it. Carefully remove the plug and let all the old oil drain out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and reinstall it tightly. Now, carefully remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Next, pour in about 5 quarts of fresh engine oil through the filler cap. Use your dipstick to check the level, adding more if needed, but be careful not to overfill. Once everything is tightened, lower your Altima and start the engine. Let it run for a minute, then turn it off and recheck the oil level and for any leaks. You've successfully changed your oil. Before you go, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial health, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book and other great deals. It could truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.